Welcome into the class. Into the lesson, we will talking about the greetings in Kimbundu language.
In Kimbundu, we have one way to do that. Good morning, Wazekele. And the other way is, how did you sleep? In Kimbundu is Wazekele Kievi. So, if you sleeping well, we can say Ngazekele Kiambot. But if you don't sleeping well, you can say Kingazekele Kiambote. It is easy, no? Do you can give me a like or comment? Please do that. In other hand, please follow our channel, please, and continue do that to see our old class for not losing nothing. Okay? So when we are in afternoon, we can say wanange, wanange, meaning in English, good afternoon. It's easy. Wanange, good afternoon. Also, we can say to, how are you spending your day? In Kimbundu is Wamunanga Kievi. Wamunanga Kievi. How are you spending your day? Okay. Have two ways to respond. One way is she nganang kiambot or she nganang. She nganang. Other way, nganang kiambot. I did well. Nganang kiambot. I did well. If you, do you not did well, you can say kinganang kiambot. Kinganang kiambot. I don't did well. Okay. Have more other word to say good afternoon. The other word is ngolo shoyo. Ngolo shoyo. This word is used to say good afternoon. So this word is to use to show the moment you are. For example, ngamunanga kiambote. Have the mean to the I am going well. I am going well. Ngamunanga kiambote. If you not spend well the day, you can say kinganange kiambote. Kinganange kiambote. I don't spend well the day. Okay? It's easy. Kinganange kiambote. At night to greeting is walembesa or walembela. Walembesa and walembela mean good evening. Walembesa, walembela mean good evening. Walembesa, walembela, good evening. Do you have some question? Please left us the question in the comment. Please to give us your like and share with your people. Now, how do you will answer? Wazekele, ngazekele, ngazekele kyambote, kingazekele kyambote. I don't sleeping well. To say good afternoon, we use the phrase wanange. To respond, we use the phrase nganange kyambote or kinganange kyambote. Nganange kyambote is I did well. Kinganange kyambote I don't did well. Ngamunanga kyambote represent the moment in you are. Ngamunanga kyambote is like I am well. Okay. Walembesa, good evening. Walembesa, good evening. Some people he can say walembela. Is the same. Subscribe in our class. We have also service of translation. If you need translation something, tell us, write for us. The best service is near to you. So, walembesa is a good evening, but some people can use the phrase wanangikievi to say good evening. This way is accepted too. You can use wanangikievi in afternoon or in night. And we just see how we can respond to this question. And when somebody tell us walembesa, we can respond ngalembesa or she ngalembesa. Did you know the negative form to answer? For respond in negative form is easy. To help you see the how we respond. Good morning, good afternoon, in negative form. I need to highlight something here, some word here. Display the word share. Pay attention in what you say this word. Do you have some doubt or you have some suggestion? You can left for me. Where do you watch this video? Thank you to watch our videos. If you need a follow-up, you can subscribe in our class in online. We do our class in Zoom or WhatsApp. Okay, you can sign up and we can help you to improve your kimbundu language. Okay, it's easy and we can do that in time or day in you are available. Try talking that we learning today and with someone. This will help you to not forget what you learning now. Okay. If you don't have a person to talking, in the contact with us and we will looking way to talking together. Thank you to PlayStation. We will see in other lessons.